Hi, this is James Mayer, Technical Resource Engineer for Thompson Pipe Group. Today we're going to cover T-Storm, a new precast underground detention system. So let's get going. When it comes to installation, T-Storm is a super simple system to put in the ground. The pieces are smaller than most other systems out there, which will allow engineers and contractors to use smaller installation equipment. Rigging is standard. We'll use all the common clutches needed for lifting up precast concrete. There'll even be an on-site person from Thompson Pipe Group out there during at least the first few days of installation so that everyone can kind of catch on and learn how it goes in the ground properly. In terms of an installation guide, we have a comprehensive installation guide with pictures and how-tos for all the different pieces and parts of T-Storm getting installed.